phở Vietnamese Beef Noodles soup. Oh, so yummy. Chicken. Okay. That is phở. Okay. The spice. The spice here. Cốt phở here. The spice of phở. Spice phở. This big, yes, this noodles. Here. Rock sugar. Big. Big this noodle for phở here. Trời ơi. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, a little pepper here. Oh, yeah, this sabo noodle. Oh, this check up like this noodle here. Okay, big pork bone here. Catfish. Oh, for $7 a pound. Oh, crap. Still alive, huh? Cua đá sống. Ngon đúng rồi. This brown here. Okay, this brown here. One radish here. Không phải radish mà là daikon. Còn daikon. Hôm nay mình sẽ nấu phở. Mình mới đi chợ Mỹ Thuận ở bên Lý Sơn Sài Gòn về thì mình mua một số nguyên liệu để nấu phở. Ok. Today we will make phở Vietnamese popular food. Okay, I will show you guys some ingredients here. Đây bánh phở, this rice noodle. Này là đường phèn, rock sugar, bean sprout, giá, hành lá. Này spice, gia vị nấu phở, spice seasoning. Cái này là cốt phở gà, chicken flavor soup paste like chicken broth, daikon, pork bones. Some people they will cook beef bone, but I still like pork bone. Tastes better. And this I still serve the beef from the rosen, so I will do this. And I will make the beef meatballs. Mình sẽ làm bò viên. Mình sẽ làm bò viên ở nhà. Ăn với cái này là thịt bò nó còn tủ lạnh nè. We will see. Mình sẽ coi để coi có cần phải đi chợ Nhật mua thêm thịt bò không. Có lẽ là mua thêm thịt bò filet mignon cho chồng mình. Maybe I will go to Japanese market buy some filet mignon for my husband. Okay, let's start. Oil. One first, make the we reel the onion and we'll change this bone, clean the bone before we make the broth. Rồi bây giờ mình nướng hành. Mình quên gừng, I forget ginger. Mình sẽ rửa xương xong rồi bỏ vô nồi súp. súp here. Daikon. Bỏ củ cải trắng vô. Here. Có phở gà. This chicken flavor. Phở soup base. Add one. Two. Add two teaspoon. Tablespoon. This chicken broth. Chicken bouillon. Yes. 1.5. Rock sugar. And rock sugar. Depend how you stay. Just
Geez, dude, I gotta take a break. I gotta step away for a minute. This was just dragging on a little bit here.
okay.
Take a bathroom break.
Này mình sẽ làm bò viên. I will make beef meatballs. So this has ground beef here, and garlic. Some garlic here. Teaspoon sugar. Teaspoon sugar. Just some chicken oil. This contact. And here. Teaspoon. 1.5. And this, I add some water with baking soda. Trộn với nước, bỏ vô đây, mình sẽ xay bò. Ok. Oh, this is very good meatball. Beef meatballs here. Nhét bọt này đi. Nhét bọt mang mỏng trên này. We will boil this beef meatball.
There you go. Okay, that's perfect. Good job.
Okay,
You're sitting on top of the table.
Yeah, he wait for me because I plan buy some the beef here.
That's meatballs?
Yeah.
For what are you making? I thought you were making pho.
Yeah, phở. So phở we can add with the beef, air fryer and bake 25 minutes. Oh, it looks so good in here. Oh, look at. Oh, this is very good. It's Vietnamese beef sausage. Bò viên. Chả hả? Chả bò nướng. Oh, chả bò nướng. Okay. Oh, chả bò nướng. Okay. Wow. Rồi, rửa tay đi con. Okay.
That's for me?
Yeah, that's for you here. Yeah, give some.
Fix it. He like replaced part of my carpet, tried cleaning the bathroom, the walls and everything, but like I didn't realize how just it smelled like terrible shit water, right? And so I called the company to see what we
Huh?
could do.
Here.
Come here, huh?
Come here.
Okay. Let's pick up that first and then.
I'll try one. Is it tastes good or not? Tastes good.
Tastes good.
I waited for it to go that. Usually it's around 5, 6, 37. I would have been that longer for a very long time. That's hilarious. Now that I have a kid, I even more don't want to spend that money. Like that could be spent on toys or new monitor or something. Like it's 100% the opposite reason why I don't want to spend it. But all right, I'd rather spend that money. Like I don't want to do that. Like I'm also spending a lot of money. We're going to tickets to go to Vietnam. That's going to be a lot of money too. So.
Mình sẽ nấu phở trụng xôi với con streamer.
Soy sauce.
You want soy sauce or you want this sauce?
That's sauce. Yeah,
Ah,
I
you want soy sauce, hả?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the sauce.
Okay. Here.
Here's one soy sauce.
Beef
Kiwi.
here.
Let's put
Beef
some
meatball here.
Some
Green onion.
Put some sprinkles on here. Put some tea.
Some lamb, chili, bean sprout, sriracha, chicken pastry. Nóng không con? Okay. Enjoy. Ngon không con? Ok, mình sẽ thử.
Salt.
Ngon không con? Ngon không?
Yeah, but it's too hot.
Ok. Vietnamese Beef Noodles soup. Oh, so yummy here. Okay. Beans